Discovering the best hiking trails in Europe. Unveiling nature's hidden gems. Introduction. Welcome to our channel, where we embark on an awe-inspiring journey through the breathtaking hiking trails of Europe. Join us as we explore the diverse landscapes, captivating vistas, and hidden wonders that await adventurers in this magnificent continent. In this article, we will highlight some of the most remarkable hiking trails in Europe, each offering a unique and unforgettable experience. The Tour du Mont Blanc, France, Italy, and Switzerland. Embark on an epic journey encircling the majestic Mont Blanc Massif. This iconic trail takes you through 3 countries, offering stunning alpine scenery, charming villages, and dramatic mountain vistas. Prepare to be enchanted by snow-capped peaks, glacier-carved valleys, and the warm hospitality of the alpine culture. The Cinque Terre Trails, Italy. Prepare to be mesmerized by the rugged coastline of the Italian Riviera. The Cinque Terre Trails connect 5 picturesque villages, each perched atop cliffs overlooking the crystal-clear waters of the Ligurian Sea. Explore vineyards, terraced hillsides, and colorful houses as you navigate this UNESCO World Heritage Site. The West Highland Way, Scotland. Immerse yourself in the untamed beauty of the Scottish Highlands. The West Highland Way stretches 96 miles from Milngavie to Fort William, offering a mix of rolling hills, serene lochs, and ancient woodlands. Experience the allure of Loch Lomond, Rannoch Moor, and the dramatic finale at the foot of Ben Nevis, the highest peak in the British Isles. The Camino de Santiago, Spain. Embark on a pilgrimage that has captivated travelers for centuries. The Camino de Santiago, or Way of St. James, winds through the stunning landscapes of northern Spain. Choose from multiple routes that converge in Santiago de Compostela, each filled with historical landmarks, charming villages, and a profound sense of spirituality. The Rota Vicentina, Portugal. Escape to Portugal's wild west coast on the Rota Vicentina. This trail encompasses both the historical way and the fisherman's trail, taking you through coastal cliffs, golden beaches, and fragrant eucalyptus forests. Discover the unspoiled beauty of the Alentejo region and the rugged splendor of the Costa Vicentina Natural Park. The Fjällräven Classic, Sweden. Embark on an unforgettable adventure through the pristine wilderness of Swedish Lapland. The Fjällräven Classic offers a challenging but rewarding trek from Nikkaluokta to Abisko. Traverse breathtaking mountains, cross glacier-fed rivers, and experience the mystical beauty of the midnight sun or the northern lights, depending on the season. Conclusion. Europe is a hiker's paradise, boasting a multitude of captivating trails that cater to all levels of expertise and interests. From the snow-capped peaks of the Alps to the rugged coastlines of the Mediterranean, each trail reveals a different facet of Europe's natural wonders. So, grab your backpack, lace up your hiking boots, and embark on an unforgettable journey as you uncover the hidden gems of Europe's hiking trails.